Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome back to our show that is a Three Sisters Creative and Education Show. So friends, our today's topic for the video is our food components. So friends, let's start our video. Friends, as we all know, we need food because it gives us energy, maintain our body for our growth, and keep us fit and healthy. And it is also known as the fuel for our body. So, friends, let's discuss the main components of the food that are number 1 is carbohydrates, number 2 proteins, number 3 fats, number 4 vitamins, number 5 minerals, number 6 roughage, number 7 is water. So let's discuss them in detail. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy in the food. Hence, they are known as the energy giving food. Carbohydrates consist of two main types, that is the sugar and the starch. Sugar. Sugar is a simple and sweet carbohydrate. This sugar is present in sugarcane, banana, apple and glucose etc. Starch is a complex substance and it is tasteless and odorless. It is present in food material but it provides low energy than sugar. For example, rice, maize, wheat, potato, sweet potato, etc. Number 2, proteins. Proteins rich food are known as bodybuilding food as it provides us energy and repair the damaged part or damaged cells of our body. Hence, proteins rich food is given to growing children and people who are recovering from their illness to give them energy. For example, pulses that is gram, moong, soya bean, kidney beans, etc. Knowledge fact that is our skin, hair, nails, muscles and even silk from the silkworm are made up of proteins. Number 3 is fats. Fats are also known as energy giving food because it gives us more energy than the carbohydrates. Example of the fats are ghee, oil, milk, meat, etc. Knowledge fact that is excess of fat our body stored as body fat and it causes obesity. Now number 4 is vitamins. Vitamins are also known as protective food as vitamins are used in small quantities for proper functioning of our body. Example of vitamins are vitamin A comes from the carrot, green leafy vegetables. Vitamin B comes from the milk, cereals, nuts, green leafy vegetables. Vitamin C comes from amla citrus fruits like orange, lemon, green vegetables, tomato. Vitamin D comes from milk, oil, butter, fish, and vitamin D is also prepared in our body from the sunlight. Now, number 5 is minerals. Minerals are required by our body for our good health, for our growth, for our body's proper functioning. Example of minerals are calcium, iron, iodine and phosphorus. Now number 6 is roughage. Green vegetables having fibers contains the roughage. It is undigested fibrous material or substance present in our body. Example of roughage are salad and green vegetables. Now number 7 is the water. Water is most important component of our food. It is very essential for our survival. Water plays very important role in our life. As water transports substance and nutrients inside our body, it regulates the temperature of our body by sweating. So friends, here is the knowledge fact that we should drink plenty of water to keep ourselves fit and healthy. So now there is a balanced diet. The balanced diet is the proper diet in which there is proper amount of nutrients of food like carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals, roughage and the water. So friends, today we have discussed about the carbohydrates that are the energy giving food, proteins that are the bodybuilding foods, fats that are also the energy giving food and gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Roughage, it is the undigestible fibrous substance or material present in our food, and water is the most component of the food. So friends, we should follow the balanced diet properly and we will be fit and healthy. So friends, here is the question time. What are the two main sources of roughage in our diet? Please type your answer in the comment box. Friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until meet you in our next video, till take care, bye.
So friends, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So friends, we will meet in our next video. Till take care, bye.